Welcome back to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Today, we're opening the door, literally, to one of the most underestimated yet powerful spaces in your home, the entryway. It's the first impression your home makes, the preview of your interior style, and the space that quietly sets the tone for everything that follows. Whether you're working with a grand foyer or a cozy apartment hallway, the entryway is your chance to create a warm welcome with personality, function, and design flair. From elegant furniture pieces to clever storage and statement lighting, this space can become so much more than just a pass-through. So let's explore 7 stunning entryway ideas that instantly elevate your home, with practical inspiration and designer-approved touches you can recreate today. Make a statement with a console table. Every great entryway begins with a beautiful anchor piece, and a console table is the perfect start. Think of it as your stage for styling moments. A sleek marble-top table for modern homes, a rustic wood piece for farmhouse charm, or a mirrored console for a glamorous vibe. On top, layer a combination of textures, a tall vase with fresh greenery or pampas grass, a small tray for keys, and a stack of coffee table books to show off your personality. Add a framed mirror or a piece of wall art above it, and you've got a picture-perfect focal point that's both stylish and functional. The secret? Keep the balance, group decor in odd numbers, and vary the heights to make it visually interesting. Create warmth with layered lighting. Lighting transforms everything, especially in a smaller or windowless entryway. Layering is key. Start with a striking pendant light or chandelier to draw the eye upward, then add a wall sconce or a table lamp on your console for a softer glow. Warm, diffused lighting instantly makes your entryway feel inviting and cozy. For extra ambience, use bulbs in a warm white tone and avoid harsh overhead light. If your style leans contemporary, go for sculptural lighting in brass or matte black. If it's classic, opt for glass or linen shades. Good lighting doesn't just illuminate, it enhances textures, adds depth, and elevates your entire design story. Set the tone with a bold mirror. A mirror isn't just for last-minute outfit checks, it's a style statement. A large, round mirror instantly opens up the space, reflects natural light, and gives your entryway a polished, intentional feel. If you have a narrow hallway, choose a tall rectangular mirror to elongate the look. Frame styles matter too. Gold adds a hint of luxury, black offers contrast, and rattan brings a relaxed, organic touch. Mirrors are also perfect for layering. Place one behind a table lamp or a floral arrangement to create depth and visual interest. It's one of the easiest ways to make a small space feel grand. Add personality with art and decor. Your entryway is your home's handshake, so let it say something about you. Artwork is a beautiful way to introduce your personality right from the start. Try a large-scale canvas for drama or a curated gallery wall for storytelling charm. Combine different textures, framed prints, woven baskets, or sculptural wall pieces. If your home has a minimalist aesthetic, a single oversized artwork can create a striking first impression. For something cozy and personal, display black and white family photos in uniform frames. Mix in ceramics, candles, or even a seasonal bouquet to make the space feel alive and ever-changing. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us, what's the first thing you notice when you walk into your own home? Your support helps us grow and bring you even more beautiful inspiration every week. Make it functional with style. A beautiful entryway should also work hard for your everyday life. Storage benches, woven baskets, and slim cabinets can keep clutter out of sight while adding texture and warmth. If you have kids or guests often, a bench with hidden compartments for shoes or bags is a lifesaver. For smaller spaces, floating shelves or wall hooks provide smart organization without overwhelming the area. The trick is to combine beauty and practicality. Choose storage pieces that match your design style, like natural wood for rustic interiors or sleek lacquer for modern ones. When everything has its place, your entryway stays both functional and effortlessly elegant. Define the space with a rug. A rug is one of the simplest yet most transformative elements in an entryway. It adds color, texture, and coziness underfoot. Plus, it protects your floors from daily wear. Choose one that complements your home's palette. A patterned vintage rug adds character and hides dirt, while a neutral jute or wool runner brings warmth and softness. Size matters here. Make sure your rug fits comfortably within the entryway dimensions without overwhelming the space. For layered texture, try placing a smaller accent rug over a flat woven base. Bonus tip: use a non-slip pad to keep it safely in place while maintaining that designer look. Finish with nature's touch. Nothing completes an entryway like a touch of nature. Greenery instantly softens the lines of furniture and adds life to your decor. A tall fiddle leaf fig or olive tree in a woven basket can fill an empty corner beautifully, while a vase of eucalyptus branches or fresh flowers brings freshness to your console. Even dried botanicals, like pampas or cotton stems, work wonderfully for long-lasting style. Don't forget to play with texture. Pair natural wood, stone, and greenery to create a grounded, harmonious feel that connects your home with the outdoors. It's that effortless balance that makes your entryway feel both stylish and soulful. Our sense of smell has a powerful effect on memory, so let your entryway have a signature scent that guests remember. Try diffusers with subtle notes of cedar, amber, or linen for a warm welcome. You can also light a candle or use a discreet plug-in with seasonal fragrances. The right scent completes the sensory experience, turning your entryway from a simple space into a feeling, one that says home the moment you step inside. In conclusion, your entryway isn't just a hallway, it's a mood setter, a style statement, and a reflection of how you live. With a few thoughtful details, lighting, mirrors, art, and natural touches, you can transform even the smallest space into something breathtaking. Whether your home is minimalist, rustic, or luxurious, the entryway is where your story begins. Thank you for watching Beautiful Home Design Ideas. If this video inspired you, please subscribe, like, and share it with someone who loves decorating. Let's keep creating beautiful spaces together, one room at a time. See you in the next video.